A reaction that can only be for one individual. Muhammad Ali is in the building.
The following contest is a tag team match set for one fall. Introducing first, from Louisville, Kentucky, weighing in at 236 pounds, Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali is no stranger to a WWE ring. He's battled Hall of Famers and sold-out stadiums, and was a guest referee at WrestleMania.
Well, Ali is undoubtedly the greatest, but he needs to remember that this is a different time, with a new locker room full of hungry competitors.
Muhammad Ali's ready for this one and determined to show how great he truly is. It's time to get on.
As Muhammad says, his opponent's got two chances, slim and none.
Tonight, we're going to see the master of the sweet science go to work.
Oh, look who's here! The People's Champion!
The Brahma Bull looks ready to lay the smackdown.
From Miami, Florida, weighing in at 275 pounds, The Rock!
You can just feel the energy of the Great One as he saunters down to the ring.
Oh, he's the most electrifying man in sports entertainment, and he's taken WWE by storm.
If you
Whoa, 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 whoa. This ain't sing along with The Rock, Saxton.
I thought it was. The Brahma Bull has an immense amount of momentum behind him.
Yeah, and you can see that he's dead set on regaining his spot at the top.
Coming down from on high. Wow.
One of the very best to ever do it, Shawn Michaels.
And from San Antonio, Texas, weighing in at 227 pounds, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels!
Michaels has enjoyed a lengthy and impressive career defined by memorable and historic victories.
A back-to-back Royal Rumble winner.
This is completely uncalled for, but completely validated, Cole.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
And set right into the corner. The official waving his hands in this matchup.
each team to get in the ring to start this match. Otherwise, it's a no contest.
And finally, action makes it to the ring, and we are underway.
Well, that certainly boiled over quick.
These teams have been chomping at the bit to get at each other, and they weren't going to wait any longer.
Bang, right in the face. Saw that one coming.
Big punch finds its mark.
And that might have surprised Michaels a bit.
Yeah, Ali making quite the impression.
Missed timing with that springboard.
Boom. And Muhammad Ali is stepping up.
Oh, man. He is delivering elbow after elbow.
Big hook. He's been placed in the corner now. Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. Muhammad Ali scouted there.
He knew that was coming.
Big forearm. Hanging back with their own counter.
Muhammad Ali turns it around. Oh, flipping the script on him there. And there's the tag. John Cena into the ring.
Nice running crossbody.
All the way up, and the crash landing powerbomb.
A powerbomb's not meant to be pretty, but oh man, does it get the job done.
Yeah, pretty sure they don't want to be taking any more of those.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
What a double axe handle.
Efficient form of offense with that move.
Dominating.
Quickly to cover. And he easily stops the ref's count.
Not getting to 2 at this point has got to say something. Axe handle finds the mark.
Michael saves himself.
Oh, man. Ali now taking advantage of every opening.
Cena having trouble getting his bearings.
What a counter. Power slam.
Delivers the cross body. Just end this now.
Oh, he's playing possum.
And the count doesn't even begin.
He didn't even let the ref start the count.
Big double axe handle.
Whatever's planned here can't be good. Check your face after that one. Corey, what are they going to do here?
We're about to find out.
Tag made. Tag made.
Some showboating from SHAWN here.
Counter! And now there's an opening.
Fez press! And the piston-like right hands.
Ouch. Fez press, raining down right hands.
Ooh. Saw it coming. Big-time clothesline. Good grief. Oh, ouch.
Tag is made, and he's coming in hot.
Uh-oh, monkey flip.
I love it.
What now? Inverted vertical suplex.
Oh, man.
Oh, to the jaw.
Double axe handle smash. Are you kidding me? Not even a 1 count.
Big time clothesline. Good grief. Oh, man, what a boot.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back. Ooh, bullseye.
He's feeling the effects of that last hit.
You can almost feel the intensity coming from The Rock on that attack.
Cena is unable to stop this string of offense.
I think The Rock's opponent can smell it, guys. And Cena puts a quick stop to the momentum that was mounting against him.
But Cena still has to do more to get this fully in his favor. Tag is made, and here we go.
Placing them right where they want them, into the corner.
And landing with the double axe handle. Boom.
What an interception.
Spectacular counter into a dragon screw.
Big elbow. Ooh.
Armbar.
Oh.
SHAWN is in the zone and letting the opposition know it.
Big time clothesline. Good grief.
Oh, strong impact. Music.
Are you kidding me? Michael's got it. Can he end it?
It could be over here.
This is it.
Well, what a save. Corey, that should have been 3.
I couldn't agree more. Headlock applied and a nice short jab to the bridge of the nose.
Denying the attack from Michaels. Right to the back of the neck.
Ooh! The Rock has Michaels right where he wants him. Here it comes.
The Rock bottom by the Rock.
Will that keep Michaels grounded?
Makes the cover. Oh, not yet. They just got the shoulder up.
If this was anyone else, I'd have been surprised, but Shawn Michaels has that uncanny ability to stave off defeat.
Guys, even The Rock can't believe it. He thought that was that. Now the Brahma Bull is left searching for answers.
This is what he feeds off of. Moments like this big match feel.
What a barrage of stuff.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. And he fights it off.
Getting that shoulder up now is huge.
Ow!
Oh, my God. Ooh. He saw it coming.
Oh, costly error there.
From down below, ouch. And he has to start protecting himself from attacks to that area. Now trampling the opposition.
The Rock stepping through,
looking for the sharpshooter.
Give up now. Swallow your pride and submit.
Just
Sharpshooter.
Gotta shift their weight. And they're out.
Oh,
God.
he's absorbing some tough hits now.
Yeah, they stuck it out for this match, but it wouldn't hurt to go for the tag soon here. Oh, across the top rope.
Shawn feeling a sense of confidence here.
And he tosses him back in now.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm.
Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
Oh, Rock answers back. He reverses it. Great counter. Punch.
Reversal on top of reversal.
DDT.
Discouraging situation for the People's Champion.
HBK's in the driver's seat. Nothing The Rock can do about it.
striking down with the axe handle.
Oh, a springboard stunner by Cena.
He's got it.
Oh, let's get it on.
Big right hook. Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
Wheels are turning in Ali's head.
Eats a punch to the face. Back and forth, looking for the advantage here.
You can sense it. This crowd is on pins and needles.
The WWE Universe is ready to erupt. Are we close to the beginning of the end?
He's got him in the crosshairs.
He's taking a moment to feel the crowd, but he better focus on the opposition. Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for adulation for the crowd and get back into the fight. Muhammad Ali heading up top.
Sky high.
Look out below!
The 1-2 punch of high risk, high reward.
Boom, what a kick. Oh!
In full control of their opponent with more in mind.
Discus punch!
Cover! Is it enough?
He keeps his team in the match.
Cena's looking absolutely powerless. Ooh. Muhammad Ali with the finishing touch.
Cover! Cena's still in it. He refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct.
Ooh.
The Rock setting him up for
Rock bottom.
The Rock has this wrapped up.
He is just reeling from that offense.
These two teams have gone to war, Cole. Of course they're going to wind up with a few battle scars. I can see up to the rafters, and there's not a single person sitting down.
What an environment this is. Oh,
man. John Cena won't come back from that.
Oof. Ah, kick. Here he goes for the win.
and that'll finally do it. What a victory.
Here are your winners, the team of Muhammad Ali and The Rock.
An incredibly impressive showing by this tag team.
Tag team excellence in its purest form. You simply love to see it. And I hope we see these guys tagging again real soon.